And just a little quick little update. You know, I got that. I think I already showed y'all the remote start. The remote start going on. That ain't all though, that ain't all. My car a little junky. It's a little junky. But see, I got all these wires down here. I just you see it? Check them out. Check them out again. Okay. Oh, you can't go nowhere. That ain't nothing now. You ain't gonna just hop in there and just hit some buttons and think you're gonna pull off now. But it's sweet though. If you don't flip them buttons in sequence, that's what you get right there. Nothing. You flip one and it ain't in sequence. That's all they're gonna do. But look them in that right sequence every time. Like clockwork, baby. Like butter, baby. But yeah, just a little something I was trying out. I gotta hide all them wires. I just, like I said, I just put that in there. Just hook that up. Damn juicy. I love it though. I said I love it. I love it. I do this. But you see that red, painting them red fold. Stand up one time.